Hi, I'm Massey from HSP 4x4 Accessories. The biggest question that everyone's getting right now is when is next gen Ford Ranger accessories available? And I'm proud to say that today we're launching our first accessory, our first HSP accessory for the Ford Ranger, and it's the tail assist. And I'm going to say it, it is the best tail assist that we've made by far. It's a single strut system because the unit already has a torsion bar built in for the weight reduction. So all this is going to do is give you that nice dampening. And let's have a look at that unit in operation. So you'll see a really nice dampen on the way down. It's quite even, it's not too fast, not too slow, and you already have that weight reduction built in. The great thing about it is because it is a single strut and the way we've designed it, we were able to install this in under 5 minutes, which is unheard of. Come on through and I'm going to show you one more time how that works a little bit closer in. Just as simple as that. And again, on the way up, it's a fantastic product, it works great, it fits great, and it's available through any of our distributors, which you can find at our store finder section on our website by visiting www.hsputilities.com or following us on any of our socials at HSP4x4.